Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to delete your Higgsfield account, Higgsfield AI account. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to visit on the official website. You need to log in into your account, which account you want to delete. Okay, so once you logged in into your account, you need to tap on your profile icon. You can see at the top side of your window, and you need to tap on manage account. Once you tap on manage account, you will visit on this page. On this page you will see your account details, and there is a button, delete account button. You need to tap on this option. Once you tap, you will see this kind of pop-up window. In the box you need to type delete in the capital letter, and you can delete your account by using this method. Okay, so if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.